Oh, whoa. Camera rolling. Okay, good morning, beautiful people. This is Akshan. Welcome back to another new fresh vlog. After so many months, yeah, man, literally after so many months, I'm going to do more than 100 kilometers in one stretch. More precisely, 175 kilometers. Let's not talk about the destination right now. It was planned yesterday morning. Actually, I thought of going yesterday morning, but because of my office work, I couldn't go. Today it's holiday, so I thought maybe now it's the right time. There is no COVID restrictions going on anywhere. First destination will be Hubli. From there I'll be heading to Gadag. From here Hubli is around 20 kilometers, and from there Gadag is around 52 or 57 kilometers. Totally Gadag is around 75 kilometers from here. Well, the morning is not so chilly, not so heated up. Our climate is really very good. I love my place, and some cyclists on a BITS line here. I have to maintain my speed, or else I'm thinking that I should be reaching there around 10:30 a.m. because that if I miss the timing, then I'll miss the whole lot of schedule. So I think I have to reach there by any means around 10 or 10:30. Well, I cannot capture any cringe content in the morning because there's no lot of traffic here. I'll definitely assure you, if you go on this road in morning after 10:30 a.m, then there's a lot of thing to capture around. Well, I didn't see the timing at what time I left. I think it's around 5 minutes now. 6:30. Kilometer rating 24,306 minus 1 or 2 kilometers approximately. I have not filled the petrol yet. Still on above the red line. In Hubli or in the Gadag highway, I'll be filling it up. Price of petrol has gone up to 110 rupees per liter. When I was in Bengaluru, I used to ride not every weekend, but every alternate weekend I used to go out for a ride, and I used to feel so nice, and the same vibe I'm getting. Wow, the red ball is up. I don't know whether this action camera is making any more sense, guys. What is this? भाई क्या कर रहे हो यार? तुम लोग पूरा मतलब क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? What the hell? ठीक है, कोई नहीं, रोड पे doesn't mean you will block entire road and you will go on. क्या कोई नहीं, जगह तो छोड़ा, वरना कुछ लोग होते हैं कि ए क्यों मार रहा है. Literally एक बार हुआ था मेरे साथ. One guy was, I was going in this lane. One car was coming from this side, and he had not put on an indicator, and I was like honking him all the time. Dude, I'm backside here. I'm putting on the light, pass on him, and I was honking him. Dude, look at this side, and he was not at all aware. Then I was honking. One guy from this side, standing this side, he was like, why the hell are you honking so much? He started to fight with me. I am just thinking about my road safety and that guy's road safety. He's not looking into his mirror, and I am going on honking at him. And the more worst thing is, he has raised all these glasses, and it's completely you're isolated from the world if you do that. Ah, bhai, you are a rider, I know. A quick update, I crossed Vidyanagar. Whenever I enter Hubli, I get the feeling, yes, I have entered Hubli, because the small heat wave starts. I mean, yeah, you will feel, yeah, Hubli aa gaya abhi. I don't know why all the petrol stations are closed right now, but I'm just waiting them to open. And I think at 7, oh, yeah, happy Dasara, by the way. Today it's a festival, so a lot of people are going around to a temple. I always fill from Indian Oil. I don't know, I have to search now where the oil petrol pump is. In Dharwad, none of the petrol pumps were open. I stopped at one, he told it's closed, or still it's not open. अभी स्टार्ट होगा बहुत सारे डाइवर्जन. वेल, आई फिल्ड माय पेट्रोल इन HP ओनली, मैन. मैं यूजुअली इंडियन ऑयल प्रेफर करता हूँ, एंड माय फादर इज अ टू व्हीलर मैकेनिक. प्रेफर इंडियन ऑयल रादर देन प्रेफरिंग HP. दैट्स व्हाट ही सेज. I left Hubli around 7 o'clock. I wasted 5 minutes there because I was thinking whether I have to put petrol there. Don't put petrol there. At the same time, there was a kind of advantage that I saw one of the Aether's charging station back there. I don't know for how long he was charging there. I was about to approach him and ask him, but by the time, I made up my mind, yes, I'm going to ask him. He just removed the charger and he went off. I just wanted to ask him a few questions regarding the charging time and that stuff, but I couldn't. Maybe next time, whenever I see another person charging there or while coming back, yeah, let's see. It feels so nice when people, exclusively see you. Yeah, where was I? Yeah, people start seeing me as if I'm a creature from some other planet. भाई इसको road safety बोलते हैं. I'm on the right path? Yeah, I'm on. Because the road is ready and some guys are going here and some guys are going here. Okay, I should not be on wrong track. Actually, this road was under construction, and every time when I come, it's still under the progress. From last 1.5 years, it is still under construction. I think the construction started before that itself. But yeah, this is how it is. I think I have to take the road this side. No. No. It's still not open or closed. Nahi yaar, we will follow this four-wheeler guy because I just don't want to take risk, because if the road ends that side, I cannot take the risk because most of the vehicles are going on this lane. Let's follow the lane of truck drivers on a big vehicles, because those people are traveling on this road every day. I'm just a person who comes once in a while here, 2 or 3 times every year. Yeah, and it's so foggy in the morning, man. Wow, it's beautiful. And it's so beautiful to see. The sun is rising. It was a red ball, now it has become orange ball. But I don't know whether this wide angle is making any sense to you people, but my eyes are really making more sense than this wide angle. Yeah. You know, sometimes I feel it's better to put on the visor and ride, because by the time I reach somewhere, my entire face becomes mud. It becomes from, you know, my color to reddish shade. Yes, I can overtake, no problem. Look at this, man. The visibility, guys, the visibility is very less even in the morning. I don't know, if this thing had happened in the night, it would be very difficult for me to ride. That is why I don't prefer riding at night. It's, you know, it's very risky and it's very uncomfortable to ride in that lighting condition. This is why I feel Xpulse is a better bike on Indian roads, man. Even on the highways, they won't surprise you. The main thing is the seat. The seat of Honda Shine, the stock Honda Shine is really, I mean, this model, at least the BS4 model, is really very bad, man. The stock seat is very, very, very hard. If you ride 20 kilometers straight, trust me, it's a pain in the ass. भाई कोई लिफ्ट मत मांगो यार मुझसे, पहले ही लेट हो गया हूँ. प्लीज़ लिफ्ट मत मांगना, कोई लिफ्ट नहीं मांगा. So अच्छा है. So welcome to the city where I was born, Gadag. Wow, dude, I'm very fast. I'm covering distance very fast, actually. I've been in this area, man. I've been here, I've been there. Last time when I came to Gadag, I had been there. Yes, I remember this. I had to drink water. I had to stop for some time. So yesterday I was checking air quality index on MSN. Gadag's air quality index is really good when compared to Hubli Dharwad. I think my next stop will be in Koppal, which is around 63 kilometers from here. I think I'll have my breakfast there itself. Actually, you know, I stopped here for some time and I'm feeling like my fingers are in a more continuous state of vibration. I don't know. Oh, I can literally feel the vibrations. Okay, let's continue the ride. I've stopped here for 5 minutes just to have a little bit of a quick break. अरे कैमरा बंद था यार. मुझे लगा कि कैमरा चालू है. Actually there was a patch where I was not supposed to take my bike in. You know, I had to do some little bit of stunts here and there because that thing was under construction and they had put, you know, the mud on a little bit of a top thing. And I changed the lane and I did whatnot and came on this highway again. Actually that patch was not supposed to be taken, but I took it. It is my advantage that I have a two-wheeler. If it was some four-wheeler or something, I had to take U-turn and I don't know, again it was around some 6 to 7 kilometers round. So two-wheeler own करने का अपने अलग ही advantage है यार. Disadvantages भी है, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ advantage ही advantage है. मतलब advantages ज़्यादा है, disadvantages है लेकिन advantages ज़्यादा है. That's what I wanted to highlight here. You know, whenever I come to Gadag, I see these big windmills here. It feels so nice to see them. खुशी होती है अंदर से. I don't know why that happiness comes from, but I just can't explain why it comes. बहुत ही नज़दीक. बहुत बड़े होते हैं यार ये. There's a place called Lakundi. I plan to go there, but very tight on schedule. So I'll see if while coming back, if I have time, if I stay there for one day and next day, I mean, if I come tomorrow, then I guess while coming back, I'll go inside there. And it's told that it is built by the same sculptor who built Channakeshava temple of Hoysala dynasty in Beluru. If you not watched my Beluru Halebeedu vlog, you can watch it in here or here, wherever it is. I've already been there. Well, I have to say, landscapes have been changed. I already crossed Koppal, and the thing is, I'm not able to find a single restaurant on the way because I'm bounded by time. I have to reach there by 10 or else the heat goes up like anything. The temperature, the place around Hampi, I'm trying to search a restaurant on the way, on the highway, but I'm not able to find a single restaurant now. इस डाइवर्जन के चक्कर में ना मैं गलत रोड ले लिया. Locals told me that take this road, you will go directly to highway. Why did you come so long inside? I never go straight in the way, man. I always take this kind of. Anyway, let's see. He told me he will go. I don't know how I will go. What the hell, man? I'm not gonna reach there. Oh boy. I road तो पता नहीं लग रहा था तो I didn't get the road, man, because I took a wrong side. He told you go this way because inside you will not get to know the road. चलो ऐसे ही चलते हैं. I don't get to eat anything here. I drank some water and I ate some biscuits, man. There's nothing good here to eat. I asked with the locals, they told me that it's around. Actually, the place I'm going right now is Anjanadri. It's believed as a birthplace of Lord Hanuman. So, okay, jump cut. Let me give a little bit of an update of the road. Guys, I was on the main highway. I took left. I thought it may, cut down a time or it may cut down a distance. Yeah, it has definitely cut down a distance, but it has not cut down a time. It took me around 1 hour to cover this distance. It's around, see. I was in that road. I took that cross exactly at 10 o'clock. Now it's almost 11 o'clock. My plan to reach here was 10 o'clock, 1 hour late. It's not like completely a single patch of road is bad or a single patch, complete patch is good. There's bad, good, bad. Both the patches are there, but if you are in a hurry, I don't think you have to take this road. Not recommended. You should take a spit, and everything is an experience. Total 575 steps. Not the time. The time is 12:30 to be more specific. Now I think I believe. Yeah, I put up the mask because there are a lot of people around, so I'm maintaining the distance from people as far as possible. So, I guess after 20 minutes or 25 minutes I'll be leaving from here. I'll enter the Hampi and then I'll give you the update. I will go into motovlogging mode, then I'll give you the update. If possible, I'll show you how the steps are, but I don't think so that is required. I cannot use the camera and keep on recording there. Yeah, I took some footages on top, but the place is worth a visit once in your life. Really, man, it has a lot of emotions to our culture. Also known as Kishkinda. I got to know from the local people. Well, I'm very hungry, man. Guys, to be very specific, it's very, very hot. Like, I think it's more than 30, but below 35. But whatever it is, man, the view is beautiful. I don't really understand, man, why the people do that. Dude, it's very congested and you want to take pictures here. Or else you do one thing, you park your bike there, walk till here and you take pictures now. Why you want to do this? मैं कौन होता हूँ बोलने वाला, पर फिर भी यार, this is not good. जो भी है जाने दो, हम पुल को enjoy करेंगे. What a bridge, man. People tell it's very hot place actually, but I don't feel that much heat. Yeah, it is there, but not that much as people hype it up. Or maybe today is my lucky day, I don't know. Welcome to Vijayanagara main entrance, Kamlapur town. Oh no, oh no. Thank God I didn't put on the throttle. After all, it won't take that much. Anyway. So this gross take me to Virupaksha temple. First I'm going to go to Virupaksha temple. After that I'll see where I will go. The roads here are so beautiful, so clean, so neat. Okay, humps and stuff are there, but anyway, the thing is, it's not cement road. I mean, it's not the concrete road. Man, I hate concrete roads, man. They heat up like anything. They don't grip like these. Oh, I forgot to update actually. I came out of. Oh, I didn't attach my mic to. Well, I came out of the Virupaksha temple. Well, there was a lot of restriction for using the camera actually. So I didn't use a lot of camera there. Some of the videos and pictures I have taken, I have not taken a whole lot of time lapses and stuff like that. If this is not beautiful, then what is? I got a place to park my bike here, man. I think I'll take some nice photos. I don't know, man. If someone was there, I would have taken one of the best photos I've ever taken. Look at the scenery, guys. This is next level, man. Even water is so pleasant. I don't know the inside part, but on top it feels so pleasant. Spent some time here. Actually, I missed Narasimha Swami temple. I missed a whole lot of things, chariot and stuff like that, because I don't have time right now. It's already 5 o'clock. So I think I'll meet some relatives there. I'll go back to Kamalapur and I'll meet some. There are a few of the relatives of mine. I'll meet them if possible, and I'll start heading back to Dharwad again. I had a plan to stay for a night, but again I felt no. If I start tomorrow morning again, it's like I'll be wasting another day for reaching home and again resting for. I don't want that. Instead, I'll leave for night and I'll reach late night, like 1 o'clock. Sleep, get up late like around 9 or 10 o'clock, and continue my day as usual. Well, let's stop talking and do some sightseeing.